Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to handle slowly changing dimension using Alteryx. I have two tables here. First table is customer source and second customer destination. I have those records in this table: customers, customer ID, customer name and address. And for the dimension, I have customer circuit key, which is primary key and the incremental. Customer ID, customer name, address is current. What I need to handle is when I move this data from source to destination, I need to track the changes in the address. So if any customer change his address, I will set a new record for this new address for the customer and set the old record with column is current to be 0, which is false, and the new record with true. So I can track the changes in the address of any customer. So this is a slowly changing dimension. This is a type, not all the types. This is one of its type in the slowly changing dimension, tracking history of the dimension. Okay, for a specific field, which is address in our case. Okay, now I'm going to open Alteryx. Let's remove this and start from beginning. I will put input tool, configure the connection to choose my source table. I've already made the connection before, so it's in the recent. You can configure it from data source. It's very easy. Okay, I will choose it and select the Alteryx source table. Okay, and choose output. Okay, and configure it and choose customer destination table. Let's change it to delete data and append. It will truncate table and insert the data. This is the first step, not the final step. I'm just showing you step by step. Okay, delete data and append. Okay, and append field mapping. Let's choose mapping, customer ID, customer name, address, and destination table already have customer circuit key, which is his primary key, and auto increment. Okay, but this ID, customer ID, which is business key. Okay, let's select OK and click on run and see what's happening. Okay, now data moved from table 1 to table 2, source to destination. Let's execute. This is my table 1, our source, and this is my destination table. As you can see, every record inserted here. So what I need to do is when any address is changed here in the source table, I will insert a new record for this customer and update is current column with status 1, and the old record is with the status 0. Okay, let's first configure all the new records to be is current equal 1, which is true. So any new record will be true in is current table. Okay, let's delete this first and put not a filter, put formula. Add a new column. Let's name it current and put it with 1. Let's check the map. This column already appeared here. So I assigned to is current in the table. Let's run it and see what's happened. Okay, let's change the data type of it. Boolean. Okay, now it's inserted. Let's execute again. As you can see, this all records act as is current, so that any customer of this is the real current address of this of those customers. Okay. Now, when any customer change his address, I need again to insert a new record. So let's change any address of this customer from the source table. Click on edit and change anyone. Ali, let's see from CC1 to CC2. Okay. Okay, if I run this again, it will truncate and put the data again without any change, without adding any records, without anything. So I will not make this. I will take this and remove this connection. Now, how can I catch this change? How can I know this is an old record but the address is changed? Okay, I can accomplish this using another input data tool. The connection, but this data tool will retrieve the destination, okay, and make join between the source and destination with customer ID. Okay, any record in the source exists in the destination will be retrieved in the join, as you can see from this chart. L mean records exist in the source but not exist in the destination. Right, records exist in the destination but not exist in the source. J, records exist in both source and destination. Okay, so okay, this is first step. And again, after I get the records exist in both table, I need to compare them again with the address. Sorry, so I can check which is record change the address. Okay, so I'm going to put another join tool, taking from J and joined from right using address. Okay, in this case, any left record represents that this is an old record but with a new address. So this record will be inserted as a new record and update the old one with is current to be 0. Okay, let's run and check before we insert on the database. So this is 4 from those column here from the first table and those four from the second table. All four records exist on both table when I'm joining with customer ID. Again, when I'm joining with address, let's see J, you can find that three records only return, and I have one record at the left side. This record means that, as you can see, the address. This record mean there is a record in source table with address changed from the source, changed from the destination. Okay, so this address in the source cc2 and at the destination cc1. So this address will be inserted as a new record and will update the old one to be is current to be false. Okay. Okay, so first taking this record and let's copy one from this, paste it, take this record and append exist, not delete data, no, append exist, so I can add without removing the old data. Append exist, and let's choose address. I need here to set is current to be like this. Copy, paste, but I will rename the column to be is current address. Is current address boolean and map it with the table here. Remove this map and add this map. I need to run the is current. Okay, now remove this to be none and is current address mapping with is current, so this will be 1 for this new record. Okay, this is for the record. I need now to update the old record with the value to be 0. Okay, how can I do this? I can make another destination or output for the update, and taking the record from here and click on update. I need two records. Sorry, I need to take it from here. Because I will create another formula to set the S current to be 0, current 2, let's make it 2, and this value to be 0. And for here I need to map customer SK. No need for this, no need for this, and is current address 2 with is current. So this will be update the old one to be is current address 2, which is 0. Okay, let's run our model and see our workflow. Sorry. Okay, here inserted one record, here updated one record. Let's check our tables. Okay, now you can see we have 4 records here, but here we have 5 records because Ali were oh sorry, CC2 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 CC2. Oh, I forget to remove this. So it's update the address. I need to remove this. Okay, let's change it in the destination. Let's remove this record. And change it to v1. So we return back to our status. Let's execute. So Ali CC1 and the source CC2, and let's run again. Sorry for this mistake. 1 and 1. Okay, one inserted, one updated. Okay, this is the old record. CC1 is current become 0, so this is not is current address. And for this record, the same customer which ID 3, Ali, but with address CC2. So this for any updated records, any address updated will be handled like this. I hope this short tutorial helpful for you, and I will continue making some tutorials with Alteryx. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you, and see you next time. Okay, thank you.